Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters. I have got the most beautiful blanket to show you today. It's called the Boho Stripes Blanket, and it's just been sent back to us from one of our sample knitters. And look at this just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous crocheted blanket. It's been made in Fiddlesticks Finch in a kit that we've got online called Starry Night. So it is navy, mustard, and ecru, which is just the most perfect colour that goes with everything. And it's a blanket that is quite a lot to it. It's a really beautiful size to have in your living room, but it's something that if you're not super experienced, if you're just starting out with crochet, this is something that you should be able to tackle. There's a really fantastic video that takes you through every single stitch and every step of the whole blanket. And once you get going, it's repetitive, isn't it? It's the same stitch and you're just changing the colours. And I know when I'm doing something like this, like a stripe, I'm just busting to get to the next colour. Even when I'm just doing 2 stripes, it's like, oh, a little bit more, and then I go to the ecru, a little bit more, do the navy. And then we've got this beautiful mustard and then tassels. You love tassels, don't you, Janine?
I do love a tassel, and she's got a special video just for the tassel because it's got a sort of rolled look to it.
That's right. She's got quite a cool little technique for actually doing them and making them look so beautiful like that. So we've got kits for this in all sorts of colorways. Again, I said this one's called Starry Night. There's also the original comes in a kind of a grello color, so it uses a dark gray instead of the navy, but that's also super beautiful with the mustard.
There's one in a lovely terracotta
Oh,
with
there is
the
too.
khaki.
Yes, that's amazing
That's
as well.
really pretty.
Really, really pretty. I don't think you can go wrong with this one.
No.
So it's called the Boho Stripes.